Just broke codeine in my bed. Feel like Rallo, I'm drinking already. No one gon' care till you dead. I got demons flying through my head, hiding heaven gates. I can't die till I know that my mama's straight. If I don't be the case, I'ma leave the state. She be sucking the dick while I meditate. Should be jeans with the teddies, I'm clean. Like what you mean? In the stew off a bean on everything. I've been chasing my dreams. I keep a boogie inside of my jeans. Oh, last night she was up in my bed. Tomorrow she'll leave me on red. She don't wanna give me attention, so I'm all her friend. She finna fuck me instead. I don't wanna kick it unless you undressing it. Feel like a blessing, fucking with a bad hoe. Cut that bitch out my life cause I didn't love her. Now she telling her friends I'm an asshole. It's the wrong time to be playing these hoes. I'm quarantined up in the crib all alone. I miss when I had hella calls on my phone. Now I'm up in the road. Tripped up from my head to my toes. Stick tuck while I trap out the phone. Fake love pedals go off the road. And now I'm thinking about you on my own. So to the first I A-list, power to face shit. To my days. I don't trust it, so I fuck with the latex. Stay safe, it's a race it. Got up today like why the fuck am I still here? I don't know why. Cup full of codeine with no ice. The only way I sleep at night. Ain't trying to go on with this shit no more. On God, I'd rather die. I'll go out with my nine. I'll go out with my nine. You can't pretend with me. Most of my niggas my enemies. Some of my niggas are dead to me. All these bitches was friending me. Now they wanna let you bet with me. Sorry, this shit ain't no bitch to me. All my diamonds on Tiffany. All these hoes wanna kiss on me. Mixing codeine and amphetamines. Even my brother got jealousy. That's why I gotta move carefully. No one actually was there for me. I got a Glock and my boy got it too, so we ready to shoot with the stick in the moon. He don't like to in her bedroom. She like switching the color to switch up the mood. She got a man, but she sending me nudes. Subi jeans with the teddies, I'm clean. Like what you mean? In the stew off a bean on everything. I've been chasing my dreams. I keep a boogie inside of my jeans. Oh, last night she was up in my bed. Tomorrow she'll leave me on red. She don't wanna give me attention, so I'm all her friend. She finna fuck me instead. Just broke codeine in my bed. Feel like Rallo, I'm drinking already. No one gon' care till you dead. I got demons flying through my head, hiding heaven gates. I can't die till I know that my mama's straight. If I don't be the case, I'ma leave the state. She be sucking the dick while I meditate. Subi jeans with the teddies, I'm clean. Like what you mean? In the stew off a bean on everything. I've been chasing my dreams. I keep a boogie inside of my jeans. Oh, last night she was up in my bed. Tomorrow she'll leave me on red. She don't wanna give me attention, so I'm all her friend. She finna fuck me instead. I don't wanna kick it unless you undressing it. Feel like a blessing, fucking with a bad hoe. Cut that bitch out my life cause I didn't love her. Now she telling her friends I'm an asshole. It's the wrong time to be playing these hoes. I'm quarantined up in the crib all alone. I miss when I had hella calls on my phone. Now I'm up in the road. Tripped up from my head to my toes. Stick tuck while I trap out the phone. Fake love pedals go off the road. And now I'm thinking about you on my own. So to the first I A-list, power to face shit. To my days. I don't trust it, so I fuck with the latex. Stay safe, it's a race it. Got up today like why the fuck am I still here? I don't know why. Cup full of codeine with no ice. The only way I sleep at night. Ain't trying to go on with this shit no more.